How to get rid of stretch marks on men. If you want to gain some weight or build muscles, you should realize that you are at higher risk of a skin problem known as stretch marks. Once they appear on your skin, they don't look attractive and they are difficult to eliminate. First, learn what stretch marks really are, what causes them, how to prevent them, and of course find the best methods which can make them less visible. How to prevent stretch marks on men. It is always wiser to prevent the problem than to deal with it later. If the problem of stretch marks doesn't refer to you, but you know that you are in a risk group, see what you can do to stop it. If you work out, the most important rule is to progress gradually. A safe rate of losing or gaining weight is around 1 or 2 pounds a week. When you gain more than that, your skin might stretch too fast. Another thing you need to remember about is to hydrate and moisturize your skin properly. To do it, go for a special moisturizer for men, which contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin A, as those two ingredients are crucial when it comes to stretch marks prevention. Keep in mind, though, that doing it just from time to time is not enough. You need to make it your routine, so moisturize your skin at least twice a day. Focus mainly on your abdomen, chest, arms, and shoulders. Healthy diet, which is rich in vitamins and minerals, is also a must. Two key elements for healthy, young-looking skin are vitamin A and E, so eat a lot of fruit, vegetables, and fibers in order to get enough of these nutrients. Vitamins are important not only for your skin, but for your organism in general, so consider also supplementing them in the form of multivitamin for men. Antioxidant supplementation is a good idea too, as it has wonderful anti-aging properties. How to get rid of stretch marks on men, home remedies. If you want to remove the problem of stretch marks, you can of course turn to a specialist, who will offer you a chemical or surgery treatment. However, maybe it's better to try some of the natural, home ways first, as they are safe and effective. 1. Coconut oil. One might believe that coconut oil is a remedy to everything, and there is some truth in this statement, as it is also a great solution to fade stretch marks. The most powerful ingredient of coconut oil is triglycerides, which are medium-chain fatty acids. They keep the skin hydrated and moisturized, and that's the key issue when it comes to stretch marks removal. Coconut oil also has great anti-aging qualities, as well as it disinfects your skin and keeps the microbes away. To prepare a mask, mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Put the mixture on your stretch marks and leave it for 10 minutes, and the skin should absorb it. If something is left, you can massage it gently into your skin. Follow the procedure every day. 2 egg whites. It is probably one of the easiest and the cheapest ways that will help you get rid of stretch marks. Egg whites consist of 40 different types of protein. They are also rich in collagen and vitamin A. All these factors make egg whites a great solution to fade stretch marks and other scars.